Come on, Percy, keep up. We've got a mountain of packages waiting at the harbor, and the clock is ticking.
I'm puffing as fast as I can, Thomas. Oof, these trucks are heavy. Do you think we'll really make it in time?
Of course we will. We're really useful engines, remember? Full steam ahead, Percy. To the station.
Whoa there, Thomas. Ease up. You're coming in like a rocket. Careful with those crates. They aren't filled with feathers, you know.
Sorry, sir. I'm on a tight schedule. Are you sure you can load them fast enough? Or do I need to find a stronger crane? That's the lot. Thanks for the help. Goodbye. I'm off to make a record-breaking delivery. Percy will be so impressed when I beat him to the junction. Just me, the open track, and a very heavy load. Almost there now. Wait. Where is the delivery truck? Cinders and ashes. It's gone. I can't wait here all day. I have more stops to make. I'll just have to unload them here, right by the platform. Sorry, Fat Controller, but a really useful engine has to keep moving. Onward!
Steady on, Percy. Thomas nearly took my hat off with his speed. Give me a second to get these crates aligned. You engines are in a right hurry today.
Did Thomas really go that fast? I hope he's careful. He was so worried about the schedule that he forgot to check his couplings. Do you think he'll get into trouble?
Oh, you know Thomas. He's all steam and no brakes sometimes. There, you're all hitched up and ready to roll, little Percy.
Thank you! I'd better catch up and make sure he hasn't left his packages in the middle of a field. Peep peep, goodbye. Deep breaths, Percy, deep breaths. I might not be as fast as Thomas, but I am very reliable. I just hope I don't run into any cows on the line today. Oh, I can see the signal box. And look, the unloading station is just around the bend. I'm almost there, and I haven't lost a single crate. Oh, look! The truck is actually waiting for me. Hello there! I have a very important delivery for you. Right on time!
Well done, Percy. You're a sight for sore eyes. That blue engine dropped his load on the platform and vanished. Let's get these moved over to the truck, shall we?
See? Slow and steady wins the race. I feel much lighter now. All clear! Ready for the next one! My wheels are aching, but my boiler feels nice and warm. There's my favorite siding right over there. Thomas might be the fastest, but I did everything just right. No lost crates, no missed trucks. Just a really useful engine doing her best. Time to power down for a bit. I wonder what our next mission will be. Whatever it is, I'll be ready. Finally back under the station roof. Good night, station. Peep peep.
Out of the way! Out of the way! I'm behind schedule and... Wait, is that a green boiler up ahead? Percy, look out!
Thomas! Stop! I'm on this track!
No,
Thomas,
no!
Oh my! The track changer is stuck. It won't stop. I'm going round and round. Everything is a blur. Help! Somebody help me! Oh, my boiler is spinning. Thomas, if you can hear me, I need help. I can't get off this turntable.
I'm coming, Edward. Just hold on. I'll buffer up to the edge and guide you back to the station. Don't close your eyes. Easy does it. Steady. Steady. I've got you now. Just follow my lead back to the platform. We'll get you on solid ground.